Okay, so first shift theorem, okay. Untuk inverse, okay. Ini kalau untuk kita convert daripada time domain kepada S domain, okay. Kita ada exponential sini, exponential AT, FT, then you punya Laplace will be Fs minus A. And now dengan menggunakan first shift theorem ni, kita nak dapatkan inverse dia. Okay. So to find the inverse of Fs, okay, so Fs minus A, okay, is actually equals to exponent AT FT. Okay, ataupun kita tentukan nilai A ni adalah berdasarkan daripada S minus A. Okay, dan kita boleh dapatkan dia punya exponential kat sini. So kita keluarkan exponential, so dekat dalam bila kita keluarkan A, dalam cuma tinggal Fs sahaja. Dan kita boleh dapatkan Laplace untuk Fs. Okay. Okay. Hari tu saya dah discuss 4 contoh dia. Okay, so hopefully you all boleh faham So this one is for your, ini untuk revise balik je. Okay, saya akan buat yang A saja. Okay, so B nanti you all cuba Okay, so mana saya punya ni? Okay, so untuk ni, okay, kita ada F, okay, Fs kita, okay, it's actually 3S plus 5 S kuasa 2 tolak 4S. Okay, so this one, okay, we can separate using linear dulu. Kita pakai linear. Okay, so if linear then it will be 3S over S square minus 4S plus 5 over S square minus betul? Betul tak? Betul kan? Okay, then 3S over, okay, so this S kita boleh keluarkan, then S minus 4, okay, then plus 5 over S square minus 4S, okay. Okay. Okay, dekat sini, kita nak menggunakan first shift theorem yang mana Fs minus A. Okay. So maksudnya, dekat bahagian sini, kita mesti ada S minus A. Okay. So yang ini kita dah ada S minus A ni, S minus 4. And this one also kita kena modify so that we can have S minus A.
Madam,
Ya saya?
ada yang nak masuk.
Kenapa dia tak auto ya? Saya pun tak faham ni. Okay, dah masuk belum? Dah masuk belum? Dah Ada lagi? Okay. Okay, so now kita kena modify bahagian sini supaya kita ada S minus A. Okay, so macam mana you all nak buat? So macam mana you all nak buat? Macam mana? Okay, macam mana? Any idea?
Completing the square.
Okay, so completing the square how? You have now is s square minus 4s. Okay, so you want to modify this one so that you have this kind of pattern. Okay, because you want to use the first shift theorem. Okay, so this one you have square. Then s square minus 4s
S minus 2 square minus 4.
s
Brackets S minus 2 equal
this one
to bracket S minus 2 bracket square minus 4.
okay. Okay, so you have s minus 2 square minus 4. Why you have minus 4? Because kalau you kembangkan this one, you will get s square minus 4s plus 4. And you have to, this one sepatutnya tak ada kan, then you have to minus with 4. Okay, so that's why you get this one. Okay, so this one will be, okay, this one boleh cancel kan? Boleh tak? Boleh kan? Now you have 3 over s minus 4 plus 5 over s minus 2 square minus 4. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then, okay. You refer, awak refer balik dekat table ni. Okay. You refer to this table. Mana table ni? Jauh sangat and show, okay. P. Okay. Ada yang nak masuk ke? Okay, so you refer to this table. Okay. Okay, so you tengok dekat sini. Look at here, you have s minus 4 and here is s minus 2 square minus 4. So this one is actually, this one is actually s minus 2 square minus 2 square. Betul? Right. Okay. So you tengok dekat sini. Okay, this one is minus. Okay, so this one is a sink. Okay, you have a over s square minus a square. Okay, you cannot use cosh because dekat atas tu dia tak ada s. Okay, okay, so if this case you have to modify again this equation so that you have a 2 dekat atas ni. Okay, yang ini sekarang ni. Okay, now this one. Okay, it should be a over, sorry saya tak nak pakai a. It must be 2 s minus 2 square minus, right, because here is 2 then dekat atas pun kena 2. Okay, so macam mana you nak jadi 2 dekat atas ni? Okay, you kena darab 2 per 2. Betul?
Betul.
Kan? So bila you darab 2 per 2, you akan dapat this one, okay, dia akan jadi 5 per 2 dalam kurungan 2 per s tolak 2 kuasa 2 tolak 2 kuasa 2. Betul? Now dia dah sama kan? Dah sama dengan yang ini. Betul? Kan? Okay. And this one sama juga. Ini masih lagi 3 per s tolak 4 plus 5 per 2. Okay. Sampai sini Faham tak? Faham tak? Okay, now you can get the Laplace. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, because kita nak pakai first shift theorem. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, eksponen S minus 4. Okay, so S minus 4. Okay, you tengok dekat sini. Minus S minus A, then dekat sini kita ada eksponen AT. Okay, eksponen AT. Okay, and dekat dalam ni dia ada S saja. Okay, so this one, okay, this one will be exponent 4t, and then you get the inverse of 3 over S. Betul? You keluarkan 4 ni kan, pergi dekat sini. Jadi exponent. So you just left 3 over S dekat sini. Okay, and then plus with tambahkan dengan
3.
this one. This one kan? 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Okay. And also you have an exponent. Exponent what? Exponent 2, right? This one you have S minus 2. So here exponent 2t. And then you can get the inverse of 2 over S square minus 2 square. Right. Okay. So your final answer will be exponent 4t. Okay, 3 over S is actually A over S. Then it's actually A. Okay. Betul? This one kan?
Betul.
Okay. Then your answer will be here is 3.
3.
Okay, 3 exponent 4t plus 5 over 2 exponent 2t. Okay, this one is 2 over S square minus 2 square. Okay. Okay, so this one is a sink 2t. Okay. Okay. Ada soalan? Ada soalan? Tak ada.
Tak ada.
Okay, kalau tak ada yang B tu you all boleh buat lah Senang je kan? Dia method dia sama je macam ni. Okay. Okay, so kalau tak ada kita move to the next inverse. Okay. Next one is using a partial fraction. Okay, pecahan separa. Pecahan separa you all dah belajar kan? Okay. So pecahan separa actually dia ada 4 jenis pecahan separa. Okay. First one is a very simple one, is a linear function. Okay, you have a linear function, okay, which is a okay, A over AX plus B. Okay, this is a linear. Okay. Okay, the second type is a quadratic function. Okay, so quadratic function is you have a quadratic at the denominator kat bahagian bawah. Okay. And then the third type is a this denominator, okay, it has a functions of n, which means the function is greater than 2. It can be any value. Okay, x kuasa 4, x kuasa 5. Okay, and the last one is a improper fractional function. Okay, so this one, if you have this kind of questions, then you have to solve it using a long division. Pembahagian panjang. Okay. Okay. Okay, so kita tengok contoh. Okay. Jadi kalau you all tengok contoh senang nak buat kan, senang faham kan. So kalau maths is the more you practice, the more you can get. Okay. Okay, so write the following expressions in partial fraction form and then you find the inverse. Oh, sorry, it's not Fourier transform. It's an inverse Laplace transform. Okay, inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so the first one is you want to find the inverse of 16s squared over s minus 3 plus s plus 1 square. So you have to arrange these expressions in the partial fraction form and then baru you boleh dapatkan dia punya inverse. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? So we have a A. Okay, we want to find the inverse of 16s over s minus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus s plus 1 square. Okay, so you have to arrange these equations in the partial fraction. Okay, so this one will be, dia ada 3 bahagian kan? 1, sini dia ada 2 because dekat sini ada s square. Okay, so this one will be A over,
Doktor,
ya saya.
bawah tu tak ada tambah.
Tak ada tambah. Okay, tak ada
Dia
tambah.
darab terus.
Okay. Okay, so A s minus 3, okay, and then plus with B, okay, s plus 1 plus C s plus 1 square. Okay. So ini dalam bentuk pecahan separa. Okay, then you need to find what is A, what is B, and what is C. Okay. So nak dapatkan ni, okay, this one you have to times with, kena darabkan dengan ni. Okay. So A darabkan dengan S plus 1 square plus B. Okay, so B you darabkan dengan S minus 3 S plus 1 plus C you darabkan dengan S minus 3. Equals to sama juga dengan
16s square.
16 S
square.
square. Okay, so this one equals to 16 S square. Okay. Okay. So, kalau kita nak dapatkan A, okay, let's say S equals to 3. If S equals to 3, okay, you can get A. Why? Because C equals to 0, B also equals to 0, right? Because 3 minus 3 is 0 times B 0. 3 minus 3 0, so C 0, B 0. So A will be A 3 plus 1 square equals to 16, 3 square. Betul? Here is 4, so 16A equals to 16 times 9, 16 times 9, what do you get? 16 times 9. Berapa?
144.
Berapa? 1, 4, 4. Okay, then A equals to 144 divided by 16 equals to 9, betul? Kan? Tadi 16 times 9 equals 144, so 144 bagi 9, bagi 16, so 9. A equals to 9. Okay, so A equals to 9 and then let's say S equals to minus 1. Okay, if S equals to minus 1, then A equals to 0, B also equals to 0, and you can get C. Okay, so your C will be C minus 1 minus 3 equals to 16 minus 1 square.
Madam,
Ya saya,
ada yang nak masuk?
ada yang nak masuk lagi Sekarang dah pukul berapa ni?
2:30 lah.
2:30. Okay, dah masuk belum? Dah Okay. So, okay, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3, so minus 4. C equals to minus 1 square jadi 1, so 16. Then C equals to minus 4. Betul? Okay. C equals to minus 4. Okay, to get B, okay, you can replace S with any value. Or boleh replacekan S dengan apa-apa nilai. Okay, tapi nak senang, you just use S equals to 0. Okay, if S equals to 0, then A equals to A darabkan dengan 1, A plus B minus 3 times 1 plus C minus 3, right, equals to 0. Okay, and then A minus 3B minus 3C equals to 0. Then okay, then A is 9 minus 3B minus 3 times minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, then 3B equals to 9 plus 12. Okay, so 3B equals to 21. B equals to 7. Betul?
Doktor, S equals to 0 tu tak faham, Doktor.
S equals to 0. This one?
Yang bawah tu semua tak faham.
Okay, so S equals to 0. Okay, now you already dapat S3 dengan S1 ni, faham tak?
Dia boleh ambil random ni kan madam? S3 dengan S1 tu.
Tak boleh random. Yang ni sebab kita nak dapatkan, nak ambil random. Tapi susah lah kan? Okay.
Maksudnya nak
Yang
tengok apa?
senang. Okay, yang senang, cara senang you nak dapatkan nilai. Okay, cara senang you nak dapatkan nilai A, nilai B, nilai C, okay, adalah dengan you jadikan salah satu tu ataupun dua anu tu kosong. Faham tak?
Faham.
Okay, katalah kita nak cari A. We try to make B and C tu 0. Okay, kalau kita nak cari B, kita try A dengan B untuk dapat kosong. Macam tu juga kalau kita nak cari C, we try supaya A dengan B tu kosong. Okay, so you tengok dekat sini, okay, kalau you nak dapatkan A, okay, you have to make sure B dengan C kosong. So how to make a B and C 0 is, you look at this dekat dalam ni, S minus 3, S minus S plus 1, S minus 3. Okay, so for B to be 0, it can be S can be equals to 3 or S equals to minus 1. Okay, and for C to be 0, S must be equals to 3. Okay, so we look at here, we can get S equal to, when S equal to 3, you can make sure C and B is 0. Right. Betul? bila S equals to 3.
Madam,
Ya saya.
tadi ada orang nak masuk, Madam tak accept lagi.
Oh tak masuk lagi
Ah,
Okay. Okay. Faham yang ni?
Faham.
Okay. So you have to choose S equals to 3 so you can get B and C 0, then you can get A. Okay. So if you put S equals to 3, you masukkan dekat dalam ni. So S 3 tolak 3 kosong. So B 0. 3 tolak 3 kosong. So C 0. So here also 3 kuasa 2 darabkan dengan 16, then you get 144 here. Okay. This one 3 plus 1, so is 4. 4 kuasa 2, 16. So you have a 16A. 16A equals to 144, then A equals to 9. Okay, yang ini faham tak? Faham tak?
Faham.
Faham Okay, and then macam mana saya boleh ambil S minus 1 pula? Okay, so S minus 1, okay. Awak tengok dekat sini, sama juga konsepnya. Okay, so yang ini A kita dah dapat, and then we just want B, okay, kita nak dapatkan nilai B dan C pula. Okay, so nak dapatkan nilai B dan C, okay, you tengok dekat sini, A, we can make A equals to 0 bila S equals to minus 1. Betul? Okay, so bila S equals to minus 1, A 0. Okay, B also 0 because minus 1 plus 1, 0. So B also 0, then we can get C only. C, when you replace S with minus 1, you will get minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4. Okay, this one also 16. S, you gantikan dengan minus 1 here. Okay, then you get 16. Okay, then you can get C. Okay. Okay, so you dah dapat A dengan C. Okay, untuk dapatkan B, okay, for you to get B, okay, it's impossible for you to use S equals to 3 ataupun S equals to minus 1. Why? Because if you replace with this one, B will be 0 for both value. Okay, then you must use any other value to get B. Okay, untuk dapatkan B, you boleh guna apa-apa nilai sahaja kecuali 3 dan negatif 1. Okay. Awak boleh guna apa-apa nilai saja Okay, so let's say, okay, paling senang awak pakai S equals to 0 saja. Paling senang. Okay, sebab apa? You just ganti 0 kat sini. So S 0 maksudnya 0 plus 1. So you have 1. Okay, then you get A here. Okay, and this one also, you gantikan 0. 0 minus 3, then minus 3. 0 plus 1, 1. Then you get B times minus 3 times 1. Okay, and then plus with C. C, you gantikan 0 dekat sini. So 0 minus 3. So you have minus 3 here times with C. Okay, equals to 16 times 0. You get 0. Okay. Okay, up to this one, faham tak?
Faham.
Faham Okay. So, bila kita dah sampai kat sini, okay, then you susun balik. A minus 3B minus 3C equals to 0. Okay. Then you boleh masukkan, tadi kita dah dapat nilai A dan nilai C. And then you replace A with 9 and C with minus 4. Okay. So this one is A, this one is C. Okay, then you can get B. Okay. Okay. Okay tak ni?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so you dah ada nilai A, nilai B dan nilai C. Okay, you gantikan A, B, C ni masuk dekat atas ni. So now you have A, what is A? 9 over S minus 3 plus B 7 over S plus 1 plus C. C is minus 4, then here will be minus 4. This one will be minus. This one will be minus 4 over S plus 1 square. Okay. Okay tak? Okay, faham eh? Okay, so next, okay. Kita guna, saya masuk dekat sebelah 9. Now you have 9 over S minus 3 plus 7 over S plus 1 minus 4 over S plus 1 square. Okay, now you can get the inverse for each. Okay. Mana saya punya ni? Okay. So equals to, this one equals to, this one is actually, you want to find the inverse of 9 over S minus 3 plus 7 over S plus 1. Okay, minus 4, oh sorry. Inverse 4 over S plus 1 square. Okay, so by using, saya gunakan first shift theorem lagi sebab dia senang je kan. So first shift theorem is, you have here is S minus 3. Okay, then here will be exponent 3t, and then you find the inverse of 9 over S. Okay, or you can keluarkan 9. Okay, so 9 will be here. Okay, so inside this one will be just 1. Okay. Okay. And then plus with, okay, here also 7 you can, boleh keluarkan kat luar. This one S plus 1. So 7 times exponent minus T. Okay, because here is S plus 1. So bila S plus 1 is a S minus 1. Okay. And then you can get the inverse of 1 over S. Okay. Minus with, okay, this one. This one. S plus 1 also. Okay, so 4 ni you keluarkan. Okay, you can have 4 exponent minus T. And then you can get the inverse of 1 over S square. Okay. Okay, so 1 over S. Okay, if you refer to this table. Okay, it will be A. Okay, A is 1. Okay, so this one will be, this one, mana saya punya? Okay, so 9 exponent 3t, this one 1 plus, this one also 1, 7 exponent minus t, okay, minus 4 exponent minus t. Okay, this one 1 over S square. 1 over S square is this one. Okay, you have S square here. So S n plus 1 equals to S kuasa 2. N plus 1 equals to 2 and n equals to 1. then it's actually T. Okay. Okay, so here is times with T. Okay. So your FT is equals to this one. Okay. Ada soalan? Ya, saya.
Kalau kita tinggalkan jawapan dekat lepas kita gantikan nilai A, B dengan C tu boleh tak madam?
Macam mana?
Kan dekat atas tu kan nilai A, B, C tu kan. Kalau kita just tinggalkan jawapan kita dekat nilai A, B, C tu je boleh tak? Maksudnya kita gantikan nilai A, B, C tu.
Itu baru pecahan separa, belum inverse lagi.
Oh, so okay.
Okay, so ini baru first step dia you dapatkan dalam bentuk pecahan separa. Ada saya punya mouse ni dah. Ni. Ini dalam bentuk pecahan separa. So you kena gunakan ni untuk dapatkan inverse dia macam ni. So you carikan salah satu inverse untuk 1, inverse untuk 2, inverse untuk 3. So sebab tu you ada ini, ni dengan ni. So you ada 3 jawab. FT equals to, okay you ada yang ini. Ini baru inverse dia. Kalau tadi baru you letakkan di dalam bentuk pecahan separa. Okay. Faham tak yang ni pecahan separa?
Faham.
Faham Dia kalau you all ada soal dalam bentuk equation awak dalam bentuk macam ni, Okay. Ni you ubah dulu. Okay, ini tak ada tambah Okay, you ubah dulu. Okay, supaya dia dalam bentuk pecahan separa. Baru awak boleh selesaikan. Kalau macam ni you tak boleh nak selesaikan dia punya inverse. Okay. Sama juga dengan contoh kedua dan ketiga. Okay, so contoh kedua ni kita punya pecahan separa adalah, awak punya pecahan separa adalah kuadratik. Kan? Kuadratik. Okay. So kalau kuadratik, okay. Kalau kuadratik, okay, awak nak dapatkan inverse untuk S over S square minus 2S plus 2 darabkan dengan S square plus 2S plus 2. Okay. Okay, ini sama juga dengan, okay sorry, kita ambil dia punya ni dulu S over S square minus 2S plus 2 S square plus 2S plus 2, okay, equals to, okay, kalau kuadratik, you tengok dekat sini, kena tulis dia sebagai AX plus B. Then here will be A S plus B over S square minus 2S plus 2 plus CS plus D over S square plus 2S plus 2. Okay. Okay. Kalau kuadratik, you kena tulis macam ni. Okay.
Okay.
Ada soalan tak nak tanya? Tak ada? Okay, soalan tak ada? Okay, so A S plus B darabkan dengan S kuasa 2 tambah 2S tambah 2 plus CS plus D darabkan dengan S kuasa 2 tolak 2S tambah 2 sama juga dengan S. Okay. Okay. Ini cara dia panjang sikit. You kena kembangkan ni dulu. Okay. So kembangkan dia. Kembangkan salah satu Make sure tulis betul-betul AS darab ni. So you ada A S kuasa 3 tambah 2 AS kuasa 2 tambah 2 AS. Betul? A, you darab A dulu. You ada 3 ni. Then you darab B pula. Okay. Plus BS kuasa 2 tambah 2 BS tambah 2B. Okay. Plus sini pula. So you have here CS kuasa 3. So CS kuasa 3 tolak 2 CS kuasa 2 tambah 2 CS tambah DS kuasa 2 tolak 2 DS tambah 2D sama juga dengan S. Okay, lepas tu you susun ikut dia punya ni S, 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 S apa semua ni kan. So S kuasa 3, S kuasa 3, S kuasa 3. Okay, S kuasa 3. So now you have A plus C S kuasa 3. Okay. Okay, next S kuasa 2 plus 2A 2A plus B then minus 2C and then you have plus D S square. Okay, next is S. So S is you have 2A and then plus with 2B plus with 2C minus with 2D. Okay, here is S. And then plus with, okay, you have 2B plus 2D equals to S. Okay, sampai sini. Ada soalan tak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Okay, so kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, sini ada S kan? S kan? Okay, S kuasa 3 ada tak kat sebelah kanan? S kuasa 3.
Tak ada.
Tak ada. So
Equal to 0.
A plus C equals to 0. Okay. Then lagi? Lagi?
S kuasa 2.
This one pun kan sama dengan 0 juga kan? 2A plus B minus 2C plus D equals to 0. Okay. This one equals to S kan? This one. Okay. Okay, cubalah selesaikan kat saya ni panjang ni. Okay, cepat. Okay, 2b plus 2d equals to 0. Okay, b equals to minus d. Sini a equals to minus c. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. So, a ni you gantikan dengan c. Now you have a minus 2c plus b you gantikan dengan
Negatif D.
negatif d. So, mana saya punya ni? Eraser. Okay. So, sini you ada negatif d. Tolak 2c plus d equals to 0. Betul? Betul? Okay. So, minus d plus d cancel. Okay. So, c equals to
0.
0. A equals to
0.
0. So, A dengan C you dapat 0. Okay. Okay. So, now A dengan C is 0. So, kita tengok yang ini. Okay. So, this one, you have a 2A plus 2B plus 2C minus 2D equals to
1.
1. Okay, because sini S kan. So, S is 1. Okay. So, A you know is 0. C 0. Right? Okay. So, B, okay, you just gantikan B dengan minus D or either one. Tak kisah mana-mana you nak gantikan. Okay. So, this one will be minus 2D. Okay, minus 2D equals to 1. Minus 4D equals to 1. D equals to minus 1 over 4. And B equals to 1 over 4. Right. Right? Betul? So A0, C0, B 1 over 4 and D minus 1 over 4. Okay. You all follow lagi tak ni? Faham tak ni?
Belum. Tengah salin.
Okay, salin. Okay, dah. Dah pergi salin belum?
Doktor,
Ya, saya.
C tu memang kosong
C kosong.
Okay,
Sebab you gantikan dekat sini kan? Sini kosong. Okay, dah habis salin? Ya, saya.
Doktor, nak
Ya, saya.
tanya,
Ya.
yang part yang ketiga tu, 2A plus 2B plus 2C minus D kan?
Ha?
So, 2B tolak 2D kan, Doktor?
2B tolak 2. Ya, saya.
Tapi Doktor ada tulis 2B tambah 2D.
2B mana? Yang ini ke? Yang ini daripada sini. This one. Ni. Daripada sini. 2B plus 2D equals to 0. Sebab dia tak ada dekat sebelah side satu lagi dia tak ada kan. So this one equals to 0. So that's why you dapat B equals to minus D. Yang ini adalah yang kat bawah ni. Yang kat bawah ni, B ni saya gantikan dengan yang ni. Dan you dapat yang ni.
Macam mana dia dapat 1, doktor? Equals to 1?
1 sebab here you ada S kan ni. S kan? Sini S kan?
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's why 1. Kalau sini 2S, then this one 2. Okay? Okay, ada soalan lagi tak? Okay, ini kita baru selesaikan dia punya pecahan separa. Okay? Faham So, lepas ni kita gantikan nilai A, B, C dan D ni dengan nilai yang kita dapat ni. Okay, so this one will be A 0 kan, so tak ada. B is 1/4, so you have here is, tak cukup pula 1/4 S square minus 2S plus 2 plus C0, D minus 1/4, so sini tukar jadi minus. So sini jadi minus 1/4 S square plus 2S plus 2. Okay, so kita akan pakai this one untuk dapatkan dia punya inverse. Okay. Okay, sampai sini. Okay. Okay. Okay ke tak okay ni?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So inverse S. Okay. Okay. Sama juga dengan, okay, 1/4 S square minus 2S plus 2 plus, oh sorry, plus pula minus kan? Okay. Okay, so sama juga dengan 1/4 kita boleh keluarkan. So you have 1/4 inverse. Okay. So this one, okay, we can use, awak nak pakai apa?
S minus
Okay.
1 square.
S minus 1 square. So you have a one over S minus 1 square, and then
Plus 1.
plus 1 minus 1/4. This one 1 over S plus 1 square plus 1. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Okay. So S minus 1. Okay. Then dekat sini 1/4 exponent T. Okay. Then inverse 1/s square plus 1. 1 is actually 1 square lah kan? Okay. Okay, minus with 1/4 exponent. Here is s plus 1. Then here will be a exponent minus t. Okay, you can get the inverse for 1/s square plus 1. Okay, so s square plus 1, you refer dekat table. Mana table saya ni? Okay, so refer dekat table ni. Okay, s plus 1, so s square plus 1 or s square plus a square. Okay, so you dapat sin t. Okay, it's a sin t. Okay. So this one is equals to 1/4 exponent t sin t minus 1/4 exponent minus t sin t. Okay. Okay, ada soalan?
Tak ada, Doktor.
Tak ada. Faham Okay, kalau faham yang C tu nanti you cuba Okay. Okay, next is using a transform of integral. Okay, transform of integral maksudnya, okay, you want to find the, okay, kalau dalam, you want to find the inverse, okay, using this transform of integral, okay, so your inverse Laplace, okay, which means you have a fs divided by s, then you can make the integration. You integrate from 0 to t f tau d tau. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, kita tengok soalan ni. Okay, so you want, okay, by using a transform of integral, then disuruh you evaluate this one. Maksudnya dia nak you dapatkan inverse of this signal using transform of integral. Okay. Okay. So macam mana kita nak buat? Macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, so A, you have a 2/s square plus s. Okay. So this one is actually equals to 2s s plus 1. Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Okay. So, ini dia samalah juga macam macam mana saya nak tulis ni macam ni lah. Okay. So, macam ni. Kalau you refer dekat sini, dia dah dalam bentuk ni. Okay. Fs minus s. Okay. Fs minus s pula. Fs divided by s. Okay. So, this one Fs divided by s. Okay. Kita keluarkan s dekat sini. So, maksudnya dia kita bahagikan dengan s. So, kita boleh pakai this integration, okay, you integratekan kosong ke t, okay, you integratekan kosong ke t, sekejap, integratekan f tau, okay, so this one, tak boleh lagi Okay, kejap Okay, so this one. Okay, so this one. Okay, you dapatkan dia punya inverse untuk 2 over S plus 1. Okay, so you find the inverse of 2 over S plus 1. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay. 1 over S minus A. Okay. Okay. So, kat sini, inverse 2 over S plus 1 is actually equals to X. 2 exponent minus T. Okay. Kalau S plus, sorry, S minus A, kalau you refer dekat table, S minus A, so signal awak akan dapat eksponen AT. Okay, so kalau S plus A, you punya ni akan jadi eksponen minus AT. Okay, so this one will be 2 eksponen minus T. Okay, so you dapat yang ni. Okay, and then baru you integratekan 0 to T, 2 eksponen minus T d T. Okay. Okay, you integratekan this one, apa awak dapat? Okay, 2 eksponen kosong T eksponen T. Okay, integratekan eksponen minus T. What do you get? 2 negative eksponen negative T, T0. Betul? Okay, so you gantikan, you replace T with T and 0. Okay, so you have 2 minus exponent minus T minus exponent 0. Okay, my exponent 0 is 1. Okay, so you have 2, 1 minus exponent minus T. Okay, so your FT is this one. Okay.
Betul,
Okay,
boleh
this
ulang
one.
sekali.
Hmm?
Boleh ulang sekali tak? Tak faham.
Yang ini
The whole question.
the whole question.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to find the inverse of 2 over S square plus S. Okay. Actually, you can use many methods. Okay. But the question state that you have to use the transform of integral. Transform of integral, which means you have to rearrange, okay, this one, okay, so that you can get the Fs divided by S. Then you make the integrations of the Ft you get from Fs here. This Fs, okay, you transformkan, you dapat Ft, and then you do the integration. Okay. Okay. So this one, okay, inverse, so equals to inverse 2 over this S square plus S, then you keluarkan S, you faktorkan S, here you have S plus 1. Okay, so this one is actually equals to, okay, this one macam you punya Fs. This one is S. Nampak tak? This one is actually 2 over S plus 1. Then you divide by S. Okay?
Dia memang ada dalam formula ke dia, Doktor, untuk DYS atau apa, Doktor?
Dia tak ada, tapi you kena susun dia punya ni supaya dia dalam bentuk macam ni. This one is actually okay. You kena modify dia punya equation dekat dalam so that you can get Fs divide by S. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini equation asalnya adalah 2 over S square plus S. Okay, and then because you want to use the transform of integral, okay, so the equation must be divide by S. Okay, so from this equation we know that we can factor the S keluar. Okay, so you will have a S and then dalam kurungan S plus 1. Okay, so this S is actually this one. Okay, and this one is actually you punya Fs. Okay. Okay. Okay tak?
Okay, Doktor.
Okay. Okay, so this one is you punya Fs. So you dapatkan. So now what you have to do is you have to find the inverse of 2 over S plus 1. Okay, so kalau you tengok dekat table, if you refer to the Laplace transform table, okay, you will get this one equals to 2 exponent minus t. Okay, but this one tak habis lagi This one is not finished. This signal is for this one. Okay, so next step is you have to do the integration. Okay, so you have to integrate 0 to t ft this one, okay, 2 exponent minus t dt. Okay, and then you do the integration of this signal, you will get 2, okay, negative exponent negative t 0, and then you gantikan t dengan t dan 0, and then you get 2 minus exponent minus t minus exponent 0. Exponent 0 is 1, then you get 2, 1 minus exponent minus t. Okay, this one if you use the transform of integral. Okay, you can use another method is using partial fraction. Okay, if the question doesn't mention which method you use, then you can use any method that is easy and senang dan
Kalau partial dia punya formula 2 per S and also S plus 1 kan?
yes.
Okay.
Okay, so kalau partial fraction 2 over S square plus S is equals to A over S plus B over S plus 1. Okay. Okay, if you are not mentioned to use any method, you can use partial fraction. Okay. Okay, then you can find A and B. Okay, so you have here is A S plus 1 plus BS, okay, equals to 2 kan? Betul tak? Equals to 2. Okay, and then, okay, to find A, you make a B0. For B to be 0, S must equals to 0. So S equals to 0, then you can get A equals to 2. Okay, and then to find B, A must be 0. For A to be 0, S must equals to -1. Okay, so -1 minus B equals to 2, so B equals to -2. Then these equations will be 2 over S minus 2 over S plus 1. Okay, then you find the inverse of 2 over S minus inverse of 2 over S plus 1. Okay, so inverse of 2 over S is actually 2 minus this one is 2 S plus 1 is actually exponent minus T. Okay, so kalau you rearrange balik equation ni, dia samalah. So sama. Okay. Jawapan akhir memang akan sama, method saja yang lain. Okay. Okay. Okay tak ni?
Okay.
Okay Okay. So kalau okay, next soalan tu you boleh, yang ini you boleh selesaikan sendiri sama je caranya. Okay. Okay. So kita tengok Laplace of derivative. Okay, so this method of this derivative method is actually we mostly use in solving the circuit. Okay, so kalau ada circuit kita guna this method, okay, for Laplace transform. Okay, so apa maksud dia? If you have a YT, kalau ada YT, okay, so Laplace dia adalah YS. Okay, ini awak dah biasa dah tahu kan. So if we want transform any T domain, you will get S domain. No matter what in front, what the function is if FT, then here is FS. If this one is XT, so this one will be XS. Okay, and then if you have the Y prime, okay, you want to find the Laplace of Y prime, then it will be S YS minus Y0. If you want to find the Laplace of Y double prime T, okay, your S domain, your Laplace signal will be S square YS minus S Y0 minus Y prime 0. Okay. If you want to find the Laplace of Y kuasa N T, okay, then it will be S kuasa N YS minus Sn minus 1 Y0 minus Sn minus 2 Y prime 0 until Yn minus 1 0. Okay, so this is the Laplace of derivative. Okay, so macam mana kita nak guna? Okay, so you look at this example by using the formula Y prime, okay, Laplace of Y prime T equals to S YS minus Y0, then you have to evaluate these two signal. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat is, okay, so this one, this is, what is this? This is YT. Okay, yang kat dalam tu adalah YT. So you have here is YT equals to sin square T. Okay, so sin square T, kalau you bezakan you akan dapat apa? Okay. Y prime t, you biasakan sin square t. What you get?
Sin 2t.
Hmm? Y prime t. You biasakan sin kuasa 2t.
2 cos t sin t ke doktor?
2
Cos t sin t.
cos t sin t. Okay?
Ya.
Okay. Lepas tu, dia suruh you evaluate ni. Okay? Yang ni. Menggunakan formula ni. So macam ni nak buat? Evaluate tu maksudnya dia nak you dapatkan YS dia. Okay. Okay. So, dengan menggunakan yang ini. Okay. So, dengan menggunakan ni, you kena dapatkan dia punya YS. So, macam mana? Okay. So, Laplace, okay, Y prime. So, this one. 2 cos t sin t, okay, equals to S YS minus Y kosong. So, Y kosong ni daripada sini. Maksud Y kosong adalah bila T sama dengan kosong. Okay, bila T sama dengan kosong, so Y kosong equals to sin kuasa 2 kosong. So, sama juga dengan kosong. Okay, so this one equals to 0. Okay, so dapatkan Laplace untuk 2 cos t sin t. Tak boleh kan? You kena pakai trigonometry punya identity, then baru you boleh dapatkan dia punya Laplace. Okay, so 2 cos t sin t is actually equals to
Sin 2t. Sin 2t.
sin 2t. Okay. So bila sin 2t baru you boleh dapatkan Laplace dia. Okay. So this one Laplace untuk sin 2t equals to SYS. Minus kosong ni tak payah letak dah sebab minus kosong ni Y kosong adalah kosong. Okay. Then you refer pada table, you dapatkan sin 2t. Okay, sin 2t okay, sin 2t adalah yang ini, sin AT. Sin 2t equals to 2 over S square plus 2 square. Betul? Betul tak? Okay. So, sin 2t equals to 2 over S square plus 2 square. Okay. Equals to S, Y, S. Okay. Then, YS equals to 2 over S square plus 2 square bahagikan dengan S. Okay. Ataupun 2 per S square plus 2 square darabkan dengan 1 per S. So ys equals to 2 over s square plus 2 square. Okay. Okay, bila dia suruh you evaluate ni maksudnya dia nak nilai ys. Okay. Ada soalan? Ada soalan? Tak ada. Okey, tak ada, kita tengok yang kedua. Okey. So yang kedua adalah Laplace TET. Okey, sama juga you kena pakai yang ini. Sama juga dengan S ys minus y kosong. Okey, so ini adalah yt. Okey. Okey, so yt awak sama juga dengan t eksponen t. Okey, and y prime t sama juga dengan awak bezakan t eksponen t. So what you get?
TET plus ET.
T
T plus E power T.
plus et. Okay. Here. Okay. So you guna yang ini. Okay. It will be Laplace this one t et plus et sama juga dengan s ys minus y kosong. Okay. So this one we can find the Laplace for each of the signals. So Laplace TET plus Laplace ET. Good? Okay. Equals to SYS. Okay, Y0. What is Y0? Here. So you have to replace T with 0. You can get Y0 equals to 0. Betul? E0 times 0, so 0. So this one, 0. Okay, so Laplace for TET, okay, is actually you can use the first shift theorem. So for T, okay, dia punya, this one, Laplace for TET, okay, you use the first theorem, okay. Okay, awak pakai first theorem, maksudnya you find the Laplace of T, okay. This one is actually exponent T, okay. So you find the Laplace for T. Okay, T Laplace for T is actually n over Sn plus 1. Okay, so this one n equals to 1. So this one will be 1 over S square. Okay, so exponent T, okay. Macam mana saya nak tulis dia T, kejap Okay, bila you ada exponent, you can use the first shift theorem, okay, yang bermaksud, okay, you dah dapat 1 over S ni, okay, then this will be 1 over S minus 1 square. This one comes from exponent ni. Okay, so this one will be 1 over S minus 1 square plus Laplace for ET. Laplace for ET is 1 over S minus 1 equals to S y S. Okay. Okay, ataupun this one TET. TET is this one. Sama kan? Okay. So TET is this one is YT. So you boleh gantikan TET ni dengan YT. Okay, so you tak payah cari yang ni. Okay. Tak payah cari yang ni. You gantikan okay, TET ni dengan YT. Okay. So YT kita adalah TET. So you gantikan masuk dekat sini. Okay. So Laplace untuk YT adalah YS plus with 1 over S minus 1 equals to SYS. Okay. Then you kumpulkan YS ni. Okay. So YS minus SYS equals to minus 1 over S minus 1. Okay. So YS 1 minus S equals to minus 1 over S minus 1. Then YS equals to okay, 1 per S sorry negative S minus 1. Okay, this one bahagikan dengan 1 tolak S. Okay, so 1 tolak S, this one kalau you susun balik, okay, you susun this one, you akan dapat berapa? YS equals to minus 1 over S minus 1. Okay, bahagikan dengan 1 tolak S. Okay, so kalau you hilangkan S ni, so minus ni, minus times S, then you get 1 over S minus S plus 1. Okay, ataupun kalau you susun balik, you akan dapat 1 per 1 tolak S. Okay, so bahagikan dengan 1 tolak S. So bahagi ni maksudnya 1 per okay. Okay. Okay, faham? Faham?
Faham.
Faham Senang je kan? Okay. Okay, so kalau faham, kita tengok. Okay. Last time untuk hari ni, macam mana kita nak solvekan linear differential equation dengan menggunakan Laplace transform. Okay. So dia ada step dia. First step is you have to transform the differential equations, okay, so that it become a algebraic equations dalam sebutan YS. Okay, and then you have to consider the initial conditions given. And then you write the equations in the form of YS. Okay, the one that we did in here. Okay. Okay, we write the equations in YS. Okay. And then okay, we can find the solution. Okay. We can get the YT by using the inverse for YS. Okay, so this is how we can use the Laplace transform to solve the linear differential equation. Okay. Okay. So kita tengok soalan ni. Okay, by using a Laplace transform, solve the following differential equations. Okay, so you have a dy over dt plus y equals to 3, and the initial condition given here is y0 equals to 0. Okay, so dy over dt is the y prime. Okay, so automatically we know that dy over dt is y prime plus y equals to 3. And then using the Laplace transform. Okay, so here we have a dy over dt plus y equals to 3, and the initial condition given here is y0 equals to 0. Okay, so dengan menggunakan Laplace, okay, so y prime, okay, t plus yt equals to 0. Equals to 3. Okay, so dengan menggunakan Laplace transform, maksudnya you cari Laplace untuk setiap ni. So Laplace for y prime t, okay, plus with Laplace for, it's not inverse, Laplace Okay, and then Laplace for yt equals to Laplace for 3. Okay, so Laplace for y prime t. Okay, refer to this one. Okay, Laplace for yt is actually s ys minus y0. Okay, so this one is s ys minus y0 plus with Laplace for yt. So Laplace for yt is ys. Okay, here Laplace for yt equals to ys. Okay, equals to ys. And Laplace for 3 is, you refer to the Laplace table. Okay. Laplace for 3 is 3 over s. Okay. So 3 over s. Okay. And then? Okay. Here you are given the initial condition y0 equals to 0. And then you just gantikan y0 ni dengan 0. Okay, so now you have s ys plus ys equals to 3 over s. Okay, then ys, okay, s plus 1 equals to 3 over s, and ys equals to this one, bring to this side, is 3 over s plus 1. Okay, so
Doktor,
this
S
one,
tambah 1 itu dapat dari mana, Doktor?
s tambah 1 here, you faktor keluarkan ys.
Okay.
You keluarkan ys, then you can get ys dalam kurungan s plus 1. Okay. Ada soalan? Okay, kalau tak ada, okay, so now we have a ys equals to 3 over s plus 1. Okay, so you can use any method, okay, to solve this ys. Solve ys, which means you have to find yt. Okay, you want to find the inverse of ys. Okay, you can use any method. It's either the transform of integral or partial fraction. Yang mana senang? Okay. So 3 over S plus 1. Okay. Which one yang you rasa senang Okay.
Partial.
So kalau you pakai partial fraction, it will be A over S plus B over S plus 1. Okay, and then you have a A S plus 1 plus B S equals to 3. Okay, and then you can find A if S equals to 0. Okay, then A will be equals to 3. Okay, you can find B if S equals to minus 1. So minus B equals to 3, B equals to minus 3. Okay, you masukkan kat dalam ni. So you have 3 over S minus 3 over S plus 1. Okay. So you want to find the inverse of Y S, okay, which is, okay, 3 over S minus inverse 3 over S plus 1. Okay, from here to here. Okay, so inverse for 3 over S is, okay, inverse of YS is YT equals to inverse for 3 over S is 3 minus 3 bawa keluar, so 3 S plus 1 over S plus 1 is actually exponent minus T. Okay. Okay, ada soalan? Faham tak? Faham tak? Diam je ni. Faham Faham Okay. Okay. Okay, kalau faham kita tengok contoh yang kedua. Okay, contoh yang kedua adalah y double prime minus y prime equals to exponent t cos t. And given the initial condition y0 equals to 0, y prime 0 equals to 0. Okay. Okay. So you have here is y double prime t minus y prime t equals to exponent t cos t. Okay. And the given y0 equals to 0, y prime 0 equals to 0. Okay. So you dapatkan Laplace untuk y double prime t. Okay. And then you dapatkan Laplace untuk y prime t. Okay. Equals to, you dapatkan Laplace untuk exponent t cos t. Okay. So Laplace for y double prime. Okay. Kalau you tengok dekat sini, y double prime is s square ys minus s y0 minus y prime 0. Okay. So this one will be s square ys minus s y, oops. SY0, betul? Minus Y prime 0. Okay, this one for Y double prime. Minus Laplace for Y prime is SYS minus Y0 equals to Laplace for exponent T cos T. So saya akan gunakan first shift theorem because here we have an exponent T. So you find the Laplace for cos T. Laplace for cos T is Laplace for cos T is, where is it? Okay, cos T is S over S square plus 1. Okay.
Doktor,
Okay, ya saya.
Y bracket kosong tu positif Y bracket kosong, doktor.
Yang mana? This one.
Equation last sekali. Sebab negatif bracket SYS tolak Y kosong.
Okay. Oh, okay, here tolak kan. Okay, thank you. So cos Laplace for cos T is actually S over S square plus 1. Okay. Then I want to use the first shift theorem. Here we have a ET. So ET, which means your A equals to 1. Okay. So here will be S minus A divided by S minus A square plus 1. Okay, and then you replace A with 1. S minus 1 over S minus 1 square plus 1. Okay. So you gantikan tu masuk kat sini. So S minus 1 over S minus 1 square plus 1. Okay. So Y0, 0, Y prime 0, 0, Y0, 0. Okay. So now you have a S square YS minus S YS equals to S minus 1 divided by S minus 1 square plus 1. Okay, and then we factorkan YS. So YS we have here is S square minus S equals to S minus 1 S minus 1 square plus 1. Okay. 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 And this one is YS. Okay. S ni you keluarkan. So you have here is S minus 1 equals to S minus 1 over S minus 1 square plus 1. Okay. Then YS equals to S minus 1 over S minus 1 square plus 1. Okay. This one you bring to this side, this will be divide kan. So you darabkan dengan 1 per S minus 1. Okay, so this one you can cancel. Then you have 1 over S. 1 over S. S apa? S tolak 1 kuasa 2 tambah 1. Okay. Okay. So this one is you punya YS. Okay. Okay, so now you have to find the inverse for YS. Okay, you want to find YT. Okay, so you have to find the inverse of y s. Okay, so this one also 1 over s minus 1 kuasa 2 plus 1. Okay. Okay, to solve this one, you can use a partial fraction. Okay, so you use a partial fraction 1 over s. Okay, so a over s plus b s plus c over s minus 1 square plus 1. Okay. Okay. Okay ke? Okay kan? So here you have a times with s minus 1 square plus 1. Okay. Plus bs square plus cs equals to 1. Okay. If your s equals to 0, so kalau s equals to 0, b and c 0, a will be 0 minus 1, jadi 2a equals to 1 and a equals to half. Okay. Okay. Okay, next is, okay, you can use any value. Okay, so let's say s equals to 1. Okay, so s equals to 1. This one will be 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 plus dengan 1. So 1. Okay. So you have here is A plus B plus C equals to 1. And A equals to half. So B plus C equals to 1 over 2. Okay. This one if S equals to 1. If S equals to 2, okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1, so 2A plus 4B plus 2C equals to 1. Okay, so A is 1 over 2. Okay, plus 4B plus 2C equals to 1. So 4B plus 2C equals to 0. Okay, and C equals to minus 2B. Okay, you replace this one to these equations, you will get B minus 2B equals to half and minus B equals to 1 over 2. So B equals to 1 over 2. Sorry, B equals to minus 1 over 2. Okay, B equals to minus 1 over 2 and C equals to minus 2 times minus 1 over 2. C equals to 1. Okay, so you have A, you have B, you have C, you gantikan masuk kat sini. So A is 1 over 2 over S plus B is, what is B? B is minus 1 over 2 plus 1, 1 over 2S plus 1 divided by S minus 1 square plus 1. Okay, and then bila you dah dapatkan partial fraction ni, you can get the inverse. Okay. Okay, try to get the inverse from this equation. Senang je kan? You dapatkan inverse untuk this one. Okay, and this one you pecah dua. Okay, you pecah dua, you dapat minus 1 over 2s divide by s minus 1 square plus 1 plus 1 over s minus 1 square plus 1. Okay? Okay, cuba selesaikan yang ini. Okay? Kalau tak faham boleh tanya saya. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so saya stop dekat sini boleh? Okay?
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Okay, so thank you. Kita jumpa next week. Next week tak boleh. Next week saya akan bagi recording. Okay? Sebab saya ada program, saya ada program hari Ahad ni. Okay?